Shubha is our trainer and she will be giving us the welcome note.
Okay. Thank you, Jayashree. Good evening, everyone. It is my pleasure to join you all today. This is Shubha Iyer, trainer in charge of Saisha India Foundation. I'm honored and feel privileged to have been given the opportunity to welcome everyone on this last meet of Pink October Fest 2021. Coincidentally, today, November 7th, is observed as the National Cancer Awareness Day to raise awareness about the second leading cause of death globally, cancer. We may get more information about this from our patrons. Saisha extends a very warm welcome to our guest of honor, Dr. Vinita Goyal and Dr. Paulomi Mukherjee. I hope Dr. Paulomi Mukherjee has joined us.
Yes, she has.
Dr. Vinita Goyal is the Director and Head of Radiation Oncology, Fortis Hospital, Delhi. Dr. Goyal has vast clinical experience of oncology and radiation oncology of more than 20 years. She's a passionate radiation oncologist with expertise in latest and updated technologies of radiation therapy and brachytherapy. Dr. Vinita Goyal is a strong believer of multimodality, cancer treatment, and tumor board. She has keen interest in molecular biology and always strive to give personalized cancer care to each patient. A very warm welcome to Dr. Vinita Goyal. Dr. Paulomi Mukherjee is the consultant surgical oncologist, Kachar Cancer Hospital and Research Center, Silchar, Assam. Welcome, Dr. Paulomi Mukherjee. It is well known.
Thank you, ma'am. I hope I'm audible, ma'am. Thank you very much for the introduction.
Loud and clear, yes.
Right.
It is well-known proverb that actions speak louder than the words. Saisha is indeed grateful to Dr. Vinita Goyal and Dr. Paulomi Mukherjee, who along with Dr. Selvi Radhakrishnan of Chennai and Dr. Vijay Kumar of Kochi gave the much needed initial support to our fledgling organization. Dr. Goyal sent a personal message to all the oncologists in her network to have a look at Saisha knockers. Dr. Mukherjee made us be known in the difficult to penetrate Northeast region. We are so honored to have Dr. Vinita Goyal and Dr. Paulomi Mukherjee as chief guests for the evening. We thank you both for accepting our invite and taking out time from your busy schedule to be with us and for release of awareness videos in Bengali, Gujarati, and Punjabi. We wholeheartedly welcome our beneficiaries who are keeping us very near to their heart. We are privileged to get time to time feedback from them, the lovely ladies, which enable us to improvise on our knockers. I would like to thank and welcome the two giant pillars of Saisha, none other than our founders, Mrs. Jayashree Ratan and Mr. Kumar Ratan, who brought all of us together in showing solidarity and raising awareness of our handmade breast prosthesis. Lovingly, it is called knockers. These knockers are made with love and passion by our volunteers using 100% mercedized cotton yarn. These knockers are eco-friendly, skin-friendly, and are given free of cost to the mastectomy warriors. I extend a warm welcome to our extremely talented technical team, core members, support team, and lovely volunteers. To proceed further with Pink October Fest, I hand over it to our respected core team member, Mrs. Sabita Rao. Over to Sabita.
Thank you so much, Shubha. That was really wonderful of you. Thank you so much for the wonderful welcome note to one and all present here. I would definitely like to share a couple of things with Dr. Vinita Goyal and Dr. Paulomi, is that this Pink October, we have taken a very small effort to create awareness about breast cancer's solution in the form of knitted knockers to many of the mastectomy survivors. Our basic motive was that we got connected to almost many of our patrons who are actively collecting knockers from us, and at the same time, many of them who have collected the samples and yet are supposed to give it to their mastectomy survivors. And we also made a wonderful effort. I would rather put it, when I say we, I mean our volunteers made a wonderful effort to get connected to as many beneficiaries as possible, because our task does not end by just issuing the knockers. What is most important is to understand where they are comfortable and where we need to stand corrected. So these were the few steps which we had taken in this Pink October. And to create awareness, we have done a lot of activities which I would definitely be sharing with you. One such event was every weekend, the last 5 weekends in the month of October, we got connected to all our regional beneficiaries. Regional beneficiaries, we have divided our India into 5 regions, and we got connected to all the 5 regional beneficiaries, where in one of the weekly event, we have also included our UAE volunteers and our Kuwait volunteers to be an active participant in that. So that is how we have tried our best to connect the Saisha family, the beneficiaries, the volunteers, and the patrons to complete the triangle in order to make sure that we all stay connected and make sure that we interact with each other so that we can definitely raise up to the mark of providing the best knockers for them. More than the quality, it is the comfort which really matters to the mastectomy survivors. So this survey was done in the entire month of Pink October, along with which we have our volunteers, the technical team and the volunteers of Saisha have created knocker awareness video, and they have created it in 10 regional languages, including English, Hindi, Malayalam, Kannada, Telugu, Gujarati, Bengali, and what was that, Punjabi, and lots more. So we have made an effort region-wise to launch this awareness video in the specific region, and we are today extending it because the number of videos were also more, and we also had a lot of patrons who wanted to participate, who were really kind enough to participate in our event. So we said we will extend it by 1 more week. And fortunately, today being the National Cancer Awareness Day, that fell in place. So we extended the Pink October Fest up to the first week of November. And today I would be very happy to inform that 3 of our regional videos would be released. To start with, we would request Dr. Vinita Goyal to come forward and release the Punjabi video and speak a few words about cancer awareness, as well as about her association with Saisha. I'm sure Akila must be ready with the launch. Dr. Vinita, all that we require from you is just a heads up. And this particular video is already posted on the YouTube channel, but it is not made visible to the public. No sooner you give us a heads up, this would be made viewed for the public. Over to Akila.
Thanks, Abita. Vinita ma'am, we have the listing of all the 3 unlisted videos. So as suggested by Sabita, I'm going ahead and making the Punjabi video with your green signal. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm just making it public, and I'll play the video also after the release to the public. I hope everybody can see the video screen.
Yes, yes.
It's done, published. Now, it's public now, the Punjabi video. Let me also play it from the video for all of us.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਦੋਸਤੋ, ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੇਖਾਂਗੇ ਤੇ ਸਮਝਾਂਗੇ ਇੱਕ ਅਜਿਹੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬਣਾਈ ਹੈ ਸਾਇਸ਼ਾ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਨੇ, ਜਿਹਦਾ ਨਾਂ ਹੈ ਨੌਕਰਸ। ਸਾਇਸ਼ਾ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਇੱਕ ਗੈਰ ਮੁਨਾਫਾ ਸੰਸਥਾ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਔਰਤਾਂ ਦੀ ਭਲਾਈ ਲਈ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਦੇ ਸੰਸਥਾਪਕ ਹਨ ਸ਼੍ਰੀਮਤੀ ਜੈਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਰਤਨ। ਨੌਕਰਸ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਿਉਂ ਤੇ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਇਸਤੇਮਾਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਮਿਲੇਗਾ, ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਵਾਲਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਮਿਲੇਗੀ। ਜੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਹੱਥ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਇਹ ਹਨ ਨੌਕਰਸ। ਛਾਤੀ ਦੇ ਕੈਂਸਰ ਦੇ ਮਰੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਜਾਂ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਪਾਸੇ ਕੱਟ ਜਾਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਇਹ ਨਕਲੀ ਛਾਤੀ ਵਾਂਗ ਇਸਤੇਮਾਲ ਕੀਤੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਨ। ਇਹ ਨੌਕਰ 100% ਬੜੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਸੂਤੀ ਨਾਲ ਬਣਾਏ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ। ਇਹ ਬੜੇ ਨਰਮ, ਹਲਕੇ, ਆਰਾਮਦਾਇਕ, ਬਗੈਰ ਅਲਰਜੀ ਤੇ ਹੱਥ ਨਾਲ ਧੋਏ ਜਾਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਹਨ। ਇਹ ਕਈ ਵੱਖ-ਵੱਖ ਨਾਪਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਨ। ਆਪਣੀ ਬਰਾ ਦੇ ਨਾਪ ਵਾਂਗਣ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਾਪ ਦਾ ਚੁਣ ਕੇ ਇਸਤੇਮਾਲ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ।
Akila, is there any echo? Yeah, now it has subsided.
Yeah, I've unmuted. Sorry,
Yeah.
muted that. Yeah, I'll let
Thank you.
ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਤੇ ਮੁੱਖ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਮੁਫਤ ਪ੍ਰਦਾਨ ਕੀਤੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਨ, ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਮੁਫਤ। ਸਾਡੇ ਨੌਕਰਸ 100% ਸੂਤੀ ਧਾਗੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਣੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ। ਇਹ ਧਾਗਾ ਸਾਇਸ਼ਾ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਖਾਸ ਵਿਕਰੇਤਾ ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਧਾਗੇ ਤੇ ਗੋਲਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਰੋਸ਼ੀਏ ਜਾਂ ਸਲਾਈਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਬੁਣ ਕੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਵੈ ਸੇਵਕ ਯਾਨੀ ਵੋਲੰਟੀਅਰ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਨੌਕਰਸ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਨ। ਸਾਰੇ ਸਵੈ ਸੇਵਕ ਅਮਰੀਕਾ ਦੇ knitted-knockers.org ਦਾ ਮਨਜ਼ੂਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਨਮੂਨਾ ਹੀ ਇਸਤੇਮਾਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਨ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਵੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਵੱਖ-ਵੱਖ ਨਾਪ ਦੇ ਬਣੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੌਕਰਸ। ਇਹਨਾਂ 'ਤੇ ਸਾਇਸ਼ਾ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਨਾਪ ਤਾਂ ਵਿਕਾਊ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੀ ਮੋਹਰ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ਜਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਅਖੀਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੌਕਰਸ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਵਧੀਆ ਰੂੰ ਜਾਂ ਕਪਾਹ ਭਰੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤਮੰਦ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਭੇਜੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਨ। ਵੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਨੌਕਰਸ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਭਰਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਖਾਲੀ ਥਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਧਾਗੇ ਨਾਲ ਖਿੱਚ ਕੇ ਬੰਦ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਆਮ ਤੌਰ 'ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਨੌਕਰਸ ਨੂੰ ਵਧੇਰਾ ਹੀ ਭਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਾਪ ਮੁਤਾਬਿਕ ਰੂੰ ਜਾਂ ਕਪਾਹ ਨੂੰ ਕੱਢ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਉਗਲੀਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਧਾਗੇ ਨੂੰ ਢਿੱਲਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਵਧੇਰਾ ਰੂੰ ਕੱਢ ਦਿਓ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ ਦਿਖਾਇਆ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਆਪਣੇ ਨਾਪ ਦਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਫਿਰ ਧਾਗਾ ਖਿੱਚ ਕੇ ਮੋਹਰੀ ਬੰਦ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ। ਅਸੀਂ ਉਮੀਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਨੌਕਰਸ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਮਿਲ ਗਈ ਹੋਵੇਗੀ। ਜੇਕਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਜਾਂ ਦੋਸਤਾਂ ਜਾਂ ਹਸਪਤਾਲ ਦੇ ਮਰੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਨੌਕਰਸ ਪੇਂਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੰਬਰ 'ਤੇ ਸੰਪਰਕ ਕਰੋ 0091 7700099012। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਈਮੇਲ ਦੇ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਵੀ ਸੰਪਰਕ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ saisha.india@gmail.com। ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਨੌਕਰਸ ਮੁਫਤ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਵਾਂਗੇ। ਹਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਅਸੀਂ 4200 ਨੌਕਰਸ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤਮੰਦ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਤੱਕ ਪਹੁੰਚਾ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ। 6 ਦੇਸ਼ਾਂ 'ਚ ਵਸੇ 245 ਸਵੈ ਸੇਵਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਿਰਸਵਾਰਥ ਕੰਮ ਤੇ ਪਿਆਰ ਨਾਲ ਮੁਮਕਿਨ ਹੋ ਸਕਿਆ ਹੈ। ਅਖੀਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਮਰਥਕਾਂ ਤੇ ਸਹਾਇਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਹਾਇਤਾ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ। ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਦਿਲੋਂ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।
Thank you. Thank you, Akila. Dr. Vinita and Dr. Polomi, I wish to highlight one point. When we were making this video, by the end of September, we had touched a benchmark of 4,200 knockers, as mentioned in the video. But when we took the statistics by the end of October, we have already crossed 5,000 numbers. And 245 volunteers were the number then. But during the Pink October with our events, I have received a lot of mails in Saisha India email ID, willingness to join as volunteers. I'm sure those numbers would have also gone high, but I don't have the correct number with me offhand. But definitely there are a lot of mails which we have received extending their willingness to be a volunteer with Saisha. So this was just a small update to both the patrons. Over to you, Dr. Vinita, to hear from you. We are eagerly waiting.
So good evening, everyone. Thank you for a very kind invitation and introduction in the meeting. I have been in oncology practice for last more than 20 years. And first I will talk about breast cancer per se, and then I will talk about Saisha, my association with Saisha. So I see a lot of change which has happened in last 20 years. The major change which has happened is awareness. There is definitely a lot of awareness. I'm practicing in Delhi, and next to Delhi is Haryana state, Just a couple of months back, a very old lady, about 75 years in age, not from a very affluent society. She came to us with a very small right breast lump. When she told me that she has a breast lump, I had a difficulty, detecting that lump. She had to help me herself feel that lump. So I asked her, during COVID times, what made her think that she should go to a hospital for this tiny breast lump? She said, Doctor, मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था newspaper में that any breast lump above the age of 50 years is not normal. And that is what made me think that even in COVID times, from Haryana, she came to Delhi to get herself tested. So this is the power of awareness. See, the difference is for cervical cancer, now we have a vaccine. For breast cancer, we do not have a vaccine. The only way to win breast cancer, the fight over breast cancer, is either by adopting a healthy lifestyle or by remaining aware. These are the only tools which are in our hands. So I think through social media, through newspapers, through TV channels, I think a lot of awareness has been created about breast cancer. More is required. But if I talk about practice 10 years back versus practice now, I would say that we see much more women coming to us in stage 1, stage 2, stage 0, as opposed to stage 3 and stage 4, which is very heartening. The other change that I have recently observed is a lot more younger women come to us with breast cancer, which is really disappointing. But then I also find that these younger women are very confident. They are very proactive. Just a few days back, I saw one 28 years old young lady with breast cancer. Her breast cancer was detected in stage 2. She's supposed to get married in January, 2 months from now, she's supposed to get married. Fortunately, her breast cancer has been detected very early and she does not require chemotherapy. All she requires is surgery, hormonal therapy, and radiation therapy. Now, because of hormonal therapy, she would have some fertility issues. But she was very confident. She was discussing all those issues very proactively. When I asked her whether her future partner knows about her diagnosis and the likely implications on her health, she said he is, and if he wants to marry me, if the family wants to adopt me, then they have to adopt me as a whole. They cannot adopt me, I cannot be a part of their family in parts. So I was very happy to hear all that. So I think the awareness and education, proactiveness, confidence, all this is required. Now, if I talk about Saisha, I have no words. I am just filled with gratitude when I look at all of you lovely ladies putting their heart and soul. You all work without any motive. You work very selflessly. I don't know how you manage to work. You must be drawing inspiration or energy from each other, is what I believe, which is very important. But thank you for making me a part of this. Whenever I sit with you in these kind of Zoom meetings, every time more ideas come to me. Just now I was thinking that, there is a Delhi breast oncology group also. There is a group of oncologists who exclusively do breast oncology practice. So once today, I think I will write a note in that group also and share your videos in that group also, so that, more and more women can benefit with this, with the knockers. And in the last meeting, I had learned 2 very important facts about knockers. One thing which I had learned was that if some women finds that the knocker is oversized for her, she can remove the wool or the cotton out of it. Second part which I had learned was that if the knockers tend to ride, they tend to come up, then they can put some stones or pebbles or something in that, so that it adds weight to the knockers, so that the knockers do not ride. I think more such education has to go. But this idea of making these videos in different languages, regional languages, is awesome, brilliant. Whosoever thought of it, I'm sure you must have had a lot of effort in executing this idea also. But the video made in Punjabi was beautiful, very nice. I'm just filled with gratitude towards all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Doctor. I must mention the entire effort in making the videos, locating the volunteers who are well versed in that particular language, regional language. The initiative was taken by Akila, and she is the one who has done all the technical work with the guidance of Jayashree and Kumar. And I must say the voiceover has also been given by most of the videos. It is our own volunteers. In certain cases, people who were not associated with Saisha have been so kind enough. They have come forward to do the voiceover in the different languages. The Bengali one was done by Sarmishta Chatterjee. And the Punjabi one was done by Harpreet Kaur. Bengali we will be releasing next. And Gujarati was done by Rashmi Kotari. So they are all our volunteers who have really worked. And Akila has taken a lot of time out of it. And she has done the comparing and she has done the recording. She has done a lot of effort in creating these videos in 10 different languages. And I must say she herself has given voiceover for 2 languages, English and Tamil.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Thank you.
The real difficult part, what she did was the way she sort of organized the whole thing. Like we had the slides in English and then first translated the English to various languages. Then she gave us a time, time slots of this to this much is this slide, this to this is this slide. So the voiceover had to be done. And the remarkable thing is, ma'am, she doesn't know all the languages. She's been able to fix it in, and then she would send it to me, and I would go through some of them, and I would send it to some of my friends. See, I wanted it to go through people who have never heard about knockers and how they got their feedback. And that is when we have been choosing people who have never heard of knockers to see the videos first and give us their feedback. Then they will say, yeah, we understood. It's very nice. It's perfect. Everything is perfect. So that is how we've been working. And within a short span of just about, I think, 2 to 3 weeks, it's been.
Wow.
We started end of September. We wanted to give the first one in Telugu and we managed to do that. It's a really wonderful thing. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Jayashree, and thank you, Dr. Vinita. I would